Hello and welcome to our demonstration of Seismic Broadband. Seismic Broadband is the new ARK CLS plugin that integrates well log data into your broadband analysis. This approach is based on traditional seismic coloured inversion and spectral bluing.
The Seismic Broadband application is located on the Seismic Interpretation tab. When you click on it, a new window opens. To perform a broadband analysis, click on the Create Operators button. This launches the main Seismic Broadband window along with the Seismic View window. The application includes two options: either perform a seismic broadband or a simultaneous SCI and SSB analysis. We're going to perform the broadband analysis. Firstly, we select the seismic data from the Petrel data tree over which the analysis is going to be performed. We load random traces from the survey to generate an amplitude spectrum, and we time gate the selection in order to ensure a stationary wavelet around the reservoir level. In this case, we use an 800 millisecond time gate. Then the log data must be selected from Input Well Logs tab. The application will pick up automatically all well logs with the global acoustic impedance template. Well data must be time-gated to the same level as the seismic. On the main window, all information relevant to the analysis is shown. There are new normalized charts, so the study can be made in terms of energy percentage. There is a tabs group related chart, so the user can separately analyze each step of the process. The seismic tab includes raw seismic and seismic mean charts. The latter shows the mean amplitude spectrum from the traces on the left. Changing the length of the smoothing operator instantly updates the smoothed mean amplitude spectrum. The Well Logs tab contains all charts related to the well logs. By changing the range of frequencies from the impedance log, we improve the curve fitting so we can obtain an optimum alpha and beta value. On the Design Operator tab, amplitude spectrum charts in dBs and normalized are displayed. These charts are related to the low and high end of the seismic, as well as the broadband analysis. By changing the attenuation, these charts are automatically updated. We added a new option, Energy Threshold, to estimate frequency cutoffs using these normalized charts. We can change the number of zero crossings of each operator independently. On the Seismic View window, we can compare the seismic information. The input seismic data is convolved in real time with each operator, so we can see the effect of them at the low end and the high end of the input seismic. Well data is also convolved with the data for better quality control. The Advanced Controls option provide the user with a set of tabs: Frequency Domain, Time Domain, and Design Operator, with controls that allow the generation of an optimum analysis. For each individual well, the well log information shows information such as alpha and beta values, plus the correlation coefficient between the well synthetic trace and the closest trace to the well. As in other ARK CLS applications, it's possible to save a session file to rapidly restore your session once you come back to the application and wish to change the parameters. The Save Operator option saves two operators, one for the low end and the other for the high end of the seismic. When we exit the application and go to the initial window, we just need to provide a name and the application will apply both operators to generate two virtual cubes on the data tree. The broadband high end has a significantly increased contribution of the high frequencies in it, improving the resolution of the initial seismic. The low end, on the other hand, shows a coloured shape spectrum. In other words, the amplitude spectrum has been pushed to the low end, and as shown, the broadband session doesn't apply a -90-degree phase shift to the low end product.
Thanks for watching. And remember, if you'd like more information on this or any of our ARK CLS products, then please email us or check out our website.